Hi friends, in this problem we are given a triangle whose one vertex is vertex of the parabola y square plus 4 into x minus a square equals 0 and other two vertices are points of intersection of the parabola and y-axis. And the area of the triangle is 250 square units. Then what is this A? Right. We know our parabola y square equals 4x. It looks something like this. Right. And how does y square equals minus 4x look? Opposite of this, the mirror image of this, which will be like this. Y square equals minus 4x. Now, y square equals minus 4 into x minus 2. Then this graph will just shift by 2 units towards right. Right. If it is x plus 2, it will shift towards left. If it is x minus 2, it will shift towards right. Because the function will calculate everything while subtracting 2 units from x. Right. So, to achieve the same thing, x will be delayed by 2 units. Right? What it has achieved at 0, it will achieve when it is 2 units. Right? The function is will be delayed. It will achieve little later, 2 units later, whatever it is, whatever this function has achieved. Right? So x minus 2 means it will be shifting towards right by 2 units. Right? So this is the graph. Now in this graph, what is the vertex? This one. Right? So here in our problem, it is given y square equals minus of 4 into x minus a square. So this point will be a square, right? So this is the vertex, something like this, right? Our graph will look something like this. So this point a square, right? This is the vertex now. Now this is one vertex of the triangle. Other two vertices are whatever these 2 points, right? Now how to find these 2 points? Because these are on y-axis, obviously x is 0, right? Obviously x is 0, then let us just plain substitute x equals 0 in this. So what I get? Y square equals minus 4 into 0 minus a square, that's minus 4 into minus a square, which is 4a square. So y square equals 4a square, y equals either plus 2a or minus 2a. So we got both the vertices. Now what is the area of this triangle? Obviously, this is the altitude, right? OA is altitude and BC is the base. What is BC? BC OB is 2A and OC is also magnitude is 2A. So total length will be 1 plus 1, 2, 4A, right? This 2A and this 2A. This is 4A, half into base into half into this 4A into this A square. Right? This is the area of this triangle. Total base into height, half of this. Right? Half of base into height, half of 4a into a square. That equals 250, which is already given. In the problem it is given, it is already 250. And what is a? So then what becomes of this? So we can cancel. 2 will go 2 times and 2 will go 125, right? So a cube equals 125. Obviously a equals 5. So the answer is a equals 5. Pretty straightforward problem. Only thing is to know what is matrix and then how to calculate the other two vertices. What is the vertex of a parabola and how to calculate the y-intercepts. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.